the release date is not officially confirmed, so we have to take a look at the company's precedents when it comes to previous models of the phone. The presentation of the Google Pixel 8 will take place in the fall, and its release in stores usually takes place a week later, just like Apple's iPhone, Google Pixel 8 models. It is almost certain that we will see the Google Pixel 8 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, so the question we ask ourselves is if the Google Pixel 8a will also arrive. In the last generations of the Pixel family, we have seen that the company is very strongly committed to the family devices, which are nothing more than a smaller, more affordable version of its older brothers. Something similar to what happens in Xiaomi Lite models or the iPhone 4S. The most recent Pixel and Pixel 7 both had such a model price of the Google Pixel 8. As is evident, as long as we do not see it available for pre-orders, we will not be able to know its exact price, although the sum of various leaks with the precedent of the Google Pixel 7 allows us to get an approximate idea. Google Pixel 8, around $699. Google Pixel 8 Pro, around $999. Google Pixel 8 battery. There are doubts about this section, since if Xiaomi is characterized by offering batteries with a lot of autonomy and Apple intends to follow in its footsteps with the new iPhone 15. In the case of the Google Pixel 8 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the latest leaks via Android Authority are not exactly exciting, since they point to a very discreet improvement over previous models. Google Pixel 8 battery, 4,485 mAh. Google Pixel 8 Pro battery, 4,950 mAh. This is it for today according to leaks and rumors. See you on my next video. Consider subscribing. Thank you.